So what is social? What is the social element of social media marketing? Well, the first thing we have to understand is something called social proof. Now, social proof is what others say about you and your business. Not what you say about your business, but what they say. And that is one of the most powerful, fundamental aspects of social media marketing, is that you can create a conversation around your business, your products and services that other people are initiating and carrying on. Now, this is what is known traditionally as referral-based marketing. Referral-based marketing is where someone else refers you to someone else. So a typical example would be somebody starts a gardening business, they pick up 2 clients, they do a really good job, and then someone else says, "Oh, your garden looks lovely." And they'll say, "Yes, we have a new gardener. He does our gardening. Would you like his number?" Or, "I'm having troubles with my boiler. Oh, you need Jeff's number. He fixed my boiler. He was really good. He was really cheap." That's referral marketing. And online marketing just takes that process and explodes it online so that people can come to you through the social proof that other people offer. We're going to talk about your USP, your unique selling point. What makes you different to everybody else? Well, when you understand it doesn't matter what you say, but what other people say about you, your USP then becomes what they're saying about you. And you think about that little switch in your mind. It's not about you commuting your unique selling point, what makes you different. It's what other people say about you that defines your USP. Because here's the golden rule. People will not buy from you based on what you say. They will buy from you based on what other people say. So let me give you an example. If you've ever shopped on Amazon or any online platform, you'll go on there, you'll read the description. I guarantee most people go through that description in about 2 seconds. What they head to are the reviews. They look down and they want to see what everybody else has said about that product. Is it any good? It's not what the manufacturer or the distributor says. It's not even the seller of the item. What matters is the third-party independent verification. So when we're engaged in the social element of social media marketing, what we're looking for is to create conversation around our products, our services, and our offerings, because that becomes the social proof that will enable other people to engage with our services. So what we need to look at is some different types of social proof. So let's go and have a look at that. So let's have a look at some different types. We've got comments, reshares, follow accounts, reviews, and endorsements. Now, comments are found on our posts, on our YouTube videos, on our blogs. Whenever someone leaves a comment and makes an observation, when someone else sees that and sees someone engaging with you, their perception of your social popularity increases based on how many people they see commenting. Now, another type of social proof you're going to find particularly on social media is reshares. So if someone takes your content and shares it again to someone else, that is a form of social proof, because although I can say to you, "Here's my latest article, please read it, it's really good." If someone says, "Here's Mark's latest article, please read it, it's really good," and they share it, people are going to have a much higher willingness to engage in that content. Now, follow accounts are a form of social proof. As we build our social media marketing campaign, one of the things that we should be thinking about is follow accounts. How many followers can we get? Now, there's social proof in having lots of followers, but there's also something else, because when follow accounts go up, that means there's more and more people are agreeing to receive your content. There's higher reshare value. There's more engagement. So all the time we want to be getting those follow accounts up. And the more followers we have, the more authority people perceive us to have. Now, don't fall into the trap of buying followers or buying reviews. There are people that offer those services, the algorithms will catch you out, and it's not genuine. People will see it. You want to create genuine fans of your products and your services, not fake ones. Now, reviews are especially powerful, both positively and negatively, if they're good or if they're bad, because reviews are people saying, this was my experience with this business. So that's a very strong form of social proof. Now, endorsements are really, really powerful, and they will come in many forms. They can be in the form of a review. They could be a private email. And what we want to do with those endorsements is we want to capture that social proof, take those endorsements and actually put them on our website. So we're going to sell a product. If we can place an endorsement before that product, before they go into purchasing that product, that's going to add value. So a little tip on how to manage endorsements. If the endorsement is made publicly, feel free to reuse it on your website. But if the endorsement is made privately via an email, always ask permission, because some people will not like you sharing a personal communication. But if you just send them a quick email, thank you for that endorsement, that was wonderful. Do you mind if I share it on my website? Most of the time they're going to say yes. But endorsements are extremely, extremely powerful. So if we look at these are all the activities of other people verifying that we're a business that has expertise, authority, and good values.